Jira Task Manager Honest Review. Watch before using. Links to the product can be found in the description below. Jira is a comprehensive task management tool designed for software development teams, but flexible enough for broader project management needs. Let's dive into what makes it stand out and who it's best suited for. First, Jira excels in project tracking with its highly customizable workflows, robust issue tracking, and agile capabilities like Scrum and Kanban boards. The tool's integration capabilities are unmatched, supporting plugins that connect with popular services such as Slack, GitHub, and Confluence, making it a seamless part of an organization's tech stack. Its reporting features provide deep insights through burn-down charts, velocity reports, and backlog health, which are invaluable for tracking progress and improving team efficiency. Who is Jira best for? If you're a software development team or part of an organization with complex projects involving multiple departments, Jira shines in helping manage these processes smoothly. It's ideal for project managers, product owners, and agile teams looking for a centralized system that can handle everything from bug tracking to sprint planning. However, it's important to mention that Jira's rich features come with a learning curve. New users might find its interface somewhat overwhelming initially, but with consistent use, it becomes a powerful tool. For teams just starting or those looking for a simpler solution, there might be a need for an initial investment in training. Jira does come with some limitations. Customization can be complex, and over-configuring workflows may lead to inefficiencies. Additionally, while Jira is great for development-focused teams, it may be too robust for simpler task management needs. So, is it worth it? Absolutely, if your team needs deep, feature-rich project management, but it's essential to assess whether your team's scale and requirements justify its use. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more expert insights. This helps promote valuable content and ensures others learn useful information as well.